Wednesday, September 18th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons, and welcome to the Python Choice Awards.
Today is a day about creativity, art, and slime.
Now, unfortunately, we can't slime anybody.
Wait, Lucas, isn't tonight slime night?
Hey, Rocco, you're right. Make sure to come to tonight's event, sponsored by Troop
10227. Now on with the announcements.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go!